Hey everyone, make sure you like and subscribe. So today I came across a 2011 Volkswagen Roten, and it's a 3.8 liter V6 engine. And the thing is, trying to find the throttle body for it wasn't the easiest thing to find. So once I took the part off and I looked at the part number itself pulled up a throttle body. Well, it pulled up this part. So we got this part from White Brothers Warehouse. They actually had it there. A lot of stores we had to get it ordered, but thank God that they had it there. So once I got that part, then I had to get the O-ring because I know the throttle body. So this is the O-ring that we end up getting for the throttle body, and it's for 3.7 liter engine V6. But we're going to just use this. This came from Advance Auto. So I got this gasket and I got this throttle body, and we're going to install it on the vehicle, and everything should be fine. But if you have that vehicle, this is the part number you're looking for.